YouTube, and welcome back to Styling with Ree. And today we're gonna get into a recent haul of mine that I got from Nordstrom Rack. So I picked up 3 pairs of Nikes. Specifically, these shoes are mostly gonna be geared towards my gym attire. And yeah, I know you're probably thinking like, why do you need gym shoes right now when nobody can get any type of access to a gym right now? But let me just show you. So these right here are my current gym shoes, right? They're great. These actually were a upgrade to the shoes prior to the Nike shoes that I had before this. These are actually some Nike Tech trainers. They're great. I can't complain about these. I love them. But sadly, this is the only durable and reliable gym sneaker that I have right now. So I needed to add some more. So sorry about that. But anyways, so it's 3 pair of Nikes. I believe they are, so there's 2 8.5s, and then there is a one pair is in actually size 8. So and keep in mind, these are all men's shoes. Typically when I buy shoes, especially sneakers, just sneakers in general, anything shoes wise, they're gonna be probably a men's 8 or 8.5. Just depends on the style of the shoe sometimes. But anyways, enough chit chat. Let's get into the first sneaker. All right. So I believe these are called Nike Signal DMS X. I don't even know. Look, I saw the sneaker, right, and I said I needed a white pair of shoes. They're not exactly white, but it's close. You know what I mean? So I'm cool with it. Try to be fancy and take my time trying to take them all out the box. But here you go. Front view. Let me give you one little side view. I actually been wearing these around my room, so they are a little bit, as you can see, creased. Is the other one little crease? But I have to say, like, these, I actually like these. They're comfortable, they're very flexible, and to me, that I need all the support I can get. All right, I had a foot injury a little bit ago, and I think it's still trying to recover. But you know, because the way these are and they're cushioned, I like them, and my feet will definitely appreciate it. But yeah, you know, these they're definitely different, I'll tell you that. I don't think I would have probably even thought to buy these when I first saw them. But because it's just like, you know, I don't really have many white or off-white sneakers in my collection. And so, you know, I said, whatever. I'm going to wear it to the gym, and that's pretty much all it's going to be used for, because for one, I know white, anything white or this off-white type color or beige, it gets dirty super quick, and no matter how hard you try to clean it, I don't care what type of cleaner it is, it still will never get back to like the original, you know, that original color that it was. So so yeah, one last look, and that is it. We're gonna get to the next one. So the next one, I'm pretty sure, you know, a lot of you have seen it. When I first saw these, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna buy them. They were a little bit hyped up. These are the Nike Zoom 2Ks. You got the off-white and Obsidian color. And these are 8.5. Like I said, when these first came out, I didn't really pay these any attention like that, just because, I mean, for one, some of the colorways were super hyped, and I was just like, I'll just wait. And these were actually, when I found them on Nordstrom, they were actually like 40 something, like $40 or something like that, somewhere in there, that $40 range. But these are nice. Tried them on, they fit good. Like I said, these are all pretty much be utilized specifically for the gym. They won't really have any other means of use. Mainly because, you know, you see all this white on here and I ain't got time to be cleaning. But yeah, these are solid. I actually like these. And also the first sneaker, I forgot to tell you how much it was. It was actually $52 or something like that. But yeah, very cheap. That's one of the reasons why, you know, I like Nordstrom like that, because I mean, you can go in there and, you know, it could be a lucky day and you find what you're looking for, right? So yeah, one last look. Again, and then I definitely love these because they are my favorite color. Red is my favorite color next to black. I know you're probably like, black ain't really can't really have a favorite color as black, but whatever. But yeah. And this last sneaker, right? I am in love with these. Right? They remind me of the I actually have a pair on right now. They remind me of the Nike Reacts. And these are the Nike React the Phantom, they call it like a Phantom colorway or something like that. Anyways, the box, I think they're super fresh. It's just me. And I love high top sneakers, so. Now these on the website were $76. And here we are. I don't know if I'll be able to hold both of these up at the same time, but this is a really, really nice shoe. Like I said, like, I love high top sneakers, and to me this is just like cake. Like, look at that. And then it's got like the gold complementing the black. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And these are a size 8. And I was like extremely shocked when I saw these, because it was just like, nobody has bought these. And I wanted the other colorway as well. I think it had like a lime green or something. I'm a big fan of lime green too. I just like loud colors, but they didn't have it in my size, and I was like, oh, alright, whatever. So, ended up with this pair. I will say I'm not disappointed. I think in total, minus the one pair of shoes that I bought from someone else, I believe my total was probably about 160-ish, 170-ish, somewhere in that range. Alright, but to get 3 pairs of sneakers, and that's almost like one pair of Jordans for most people that buy Jordans. I don't buy Jordans like that, or I've only owned 2 pair of Jordans my whole life, so huge fan of Jordan, of course, but I don't really have any interest in Jordan sneakers. A big Nike, Puma, Adidas, and recently New Balance, like, so. But yeah, this is probably this is my favorite one. It's not probably, it is my favorite sneaker out of all 3 sneakers that I copped from Nordstrom Rack. And if you haven't checked out Nordstrom Rack, I highly suggest you do. If you just, you know, not even if you're just on a budget, just in general, like check it out, because they got some really dope sneakers at some really unbeatable prices. And yeah, that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully in the next video I bring you something else great. I do have a recent pickup that I actually kind of need to get into, and hopefully it's, you know, you guys like it. It's gonna be a little different. It's definitely gonna probably raise some eyebrows, because it is similar to a very popular shoe that we all know as Vans. So yeah, so we're gonna get into that next time around. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.